We're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've installed a Starline Pro system on this 2021 Audi Q7. So a thief clones this key, they go to steal the vehicle, hop in, vehicle just cranks, doesn't start, the vehicle doesn't eventually start. As you can see, they select a gear, car's going to cut out. There you go, unable to drive it away. If the customer wants to drive this vehicle, they can either pair their phone up through Bluetooth, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this connected phone, ignition on, hear their melody, start the vehicle, they can select a gear and drive away. The vehicle doesn't stall out. If their phone's gone flat one day while they're out, they can use a push sequence. So Bluetooth's off, so we just pretend the phone's gone flat while they're out one day, they obviously need to get home. So we'll ignition on, pop a code in that they choose. We've kept it nice and simple for the video at 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody, start it up, we can select our gear and drive away. This system also has a service mode, so when it goes back to Audi, it can be put into service mode and just becomes a normal vehicle, no immobiliser. So the way you do that, go into the Starline key app, press and hold on this circle, the green will spin round, when it goes to yellow we'll let go. 2 bleeps and now this is a normal vehicle. So when Audi get it, no code, no phone, basically the immobiliser switched off. When you get it back, press and hold, turn it back to green and you're protected again. There we go. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro. Connects to the phone with an adjustable Bluetooth range. Also uses a push sequence with the factory buttons that the customer can choose. And prevents the vehicle from relay attack, key cloning. If they select a gear after they've started it up with your key, it switches off. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.